Man, you're not going to believe it. I found an old memory card with some of the very first footage that we shot here in this new workshop. Man, we've come a long way. It's so exciting to look at this footage and even reminisce in this short period of time about what all was going on then, and a lot of work under the bridge. In this episode, we're going to sweat some copper pipe from where I moved the water heater, and I'm going to show you the framing we did when we pushed this wall back over here in front of me to give us more room here in the workshop. So check it out. Hey, Patty G here. We have done it. This is day 2. Let me give you a rundown. Got primer on most of this wall over here. Got to finish this. We tore out all the things that were on the wall here, and we tore out all the shelving down here, and we moved the water heater that used to sit right here back there under the stairs, and we're about to, it's too dark, we're about to take down this wall. So we'll move this wall back here into the floor right here and up to there. That'll give me some more shop space, and this area right here is just dead and unusable. So when I was sweating this copper pipe, we had an incident. Some of the old copper let go, I guess, where I was moving the pipe around. It was a bad joint. There was only 1/8 of an inch of the pipe stuck into the sleeve. For example, like this, there was only 1/8 of an inch stuck in there, and it didn't hold, and it let go. So we had our first mishap here, first of many, I'm sure. But we checked the drain, and the drains are all good, so we're able to squeegee it into the drain, all excess water. It's all dried up now. It's getting to be exciting, and I can start to see it happen. So that's cool. Should have nothing.
Would you do that? I don't replace that.
Hey,
Yeah.
anything? Serve up?
I got some of those. Bring me coffee with cream.
Coffee with cream?
Yeah. Plain cream. Okay, so this box up here that I'm working on, I'm trying to disconnect the circuit that goes into the other rooms. It's full and the wires are like that long. So I'm going to have to come up with a new plan. What I'll probably do is just disconnect the wires on the other end, put caps on them, make them safe, and work out the situation best I can on it. why you always check. Don't assume anything. So the outlet and these switches are, according to the 12-inch tiles, 4 feet apart. Different circuits. Okay, so I got the water heater moved today, and I had a little incident while I was sweating the copper. The joint downstream blew out. Quite the mess. Got that all cleaned up, and now we're ready to go. Just got the wiring done, so if you wait right here, I'm going to go way over there and turn the breaker on. So here are the steps. First, you clean it with a brush for the inside of the fittings. And then you clean it on the outside.
Yeah. What's that? Kind of, sort of. Yeah. What you doing?
Yourself.
Off my head.
Yeah.
Get the hammer in there. There it goes.
Hang on, hang on.
Hey! Oh look, it's a piece of insulation there, damn it.
Yep. Some up in there. And flush up here. The root. have.
Well, it's recording, but it's pointed at the floor.
Stop it. Put it down.
I got this. I'll just let it roll. Let it roll. Short. So that's top, but that don't mean it's square.
You got to put one side on. That's correct. Hey, Patty G here. It was so much fun to find this footage on that memory card and to go back to just a few months ago. It's been about 7 months since we moved in here. And so I just wanted to show you guys where we started with this thing. I don't know why I never assembled all that footage into a video. But I used what I had, so it's kind of an abrupt ending, but I did want to share it with you. I do have videos coming up also. I've got one where we're redoing the gutter drainage system. We got some water in the basement, more on that episode. But I wanted to share that with you too. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. And we'll see you soon. Whoa, stop. This thing went off.
I turned it off. I flipped
We're,
three of them before.
we're acting here.
Oh.
What is that? Juice box. Alright, let it focus. Go ahead. No. You. Yes. Do it again. That's it. Mark it.